weeks or so is measurement. And specifically here, what we're looking at is a perimeter of different shapes, okay? So this morning, we did a lot of measuring. We used the ruler and started measuring different items, both on paper and around the classroom, to get an idea of using the ruler and get an idea of how long certain things are. So here, let's look at this bottom example here. So basically, perimeter is the distance around an object, okay? So you can think of this as anything. You can think of this as the school, and you're kind of walking along the walls of the school. Now, these are in centimeters here. We work in centimeters and in meters. But basically, all you simply need to do is just add, because it's a square, you're going to add the four sides together, okay? You're going to add the 4 and the 4 and the 4 and the 4. And what you should get, okay, is something that looks like this, all right? This is what's called a number sentence. Okay, so 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 16 centimeters. And of course, we learned the different ways of adding. You could, we have the hundreds chart you can use your ruler to add, and some of you are really great just adding in your head or on your fingers even, just to solve this, okay? So we're going to be working our adding skills as well, all right? So you're just simply adding the 4 different lengths. Now this one's a little bit more tricky. This has more than 4 sides. This actually has 6 sides. So we have 4 centimeters and 5 centimeters and 3 centimeters. And 4 centimeters and 1 and 1. But same idea, you just have a number sentence. So you're just going to start. Now what I like to do is I like to highlight or circle a number, okay, to know where I start. So for example, I'm going to start at this one up here, and then I'll go clockwise around. Okay, I think that's what I did here. I went 1, 1, 4, 3, 5, and 4, and those numbers line up. So start at the top and go around like a clock so you don't double up or miss a number. And again, circle it or highlight the number where you start, like I just did with the red. Okay, so I'm just going to add the 1, the 4, 3, 5, and 4. And then I would get 18 centimeters. So the distance around is 18 centimeters if I were to walk. So it's pretty easy math, but just understand what perimeter is. Perimeter means the distance around an object or a shape or something like a physical structure like a school or a playground, okay? So we're going to be doing lots of examples like this where we'll have solids and shapes in the classroom and around the room. We're going to have the manipulatives with the cubes, and we're going to build some perimeter questions based around this, okay? So take time, draw some squares and rectangles and so on in different figures, put a measurement next to them and show the math with the number sentence and then with the answer here, okay? Have a great night.